obviously the ability to serve your customer got a little better with just the speed, access to information, the transparency. How did this help you maybe reduce cost or optimize who you did business with and how you were able to bring on more carriers to diversify that selection, ultimately for your end customer to continue to service them better?
I'll tell you one thing that's kind of unique with you guys based on the trends, because we did so many shipments over, about, let's say, a year's worth of time. We were able to look back and get a lot of set pricing trends. We know the price goes up and down on, different days, and as is, it's afternoons, we feel like our rates are worse than they are in the mornings. Like that, it changes, but you never know what it's going to be. But basically, you'll get a trend over time, and you can kind of see how it goes. That allowed us to be able to make a huge move in the market that nobody even knows that we did. But we came out with a new line of equipment it's a specialty motor. It's a CRX machine, and we partnered with this new motor manufacturer. And with that, it was a test, and we were really worried about getting this machine out because most people want Hondas. Like, Honda is the name in this industry, and it always will be. Mm-hmm. So a new name, a new contender had people worried and on edge. But we were able to sit back as a business strategy and be able to look at our costs over time and shipping and what on average it typically goes. And to launch that product for us, we put it out there with free shipping. And that's the only product that we actually ever offered for free shipping. So we put freight, and it's free freight. So we'll ship that machine to someone's house directly. But we wouldn't have done that had we have not had the tools and the year long of effort and data right there at our fingertips to be able to go, is there enough room in the margins? Because it's business, right? Like, in the end, the shipping's not free. They are getting it free, but it's part of the cost. Either we're going to have to eat some in our profit margins for the manufacturing of the machine and the equipment, or we're just going to lose money. It's got to go one way or the other, kind of thing. And so that helped us. That was it was a tremendous move for us to be able to offer free shipping. And to this day, we still offer free shipping on that machine, and nobody can touch it because of that. Like, our competitors can't touch it because it's $400.
That's awesome. Yeah. Well, and ultimately, you just hit the nail on the head, right? Freight, I don't care who you are, freight is an expense of your sales motor. I'm a sales guy. You're somewhat of a sales guy. Like, freight is cutting into my sales margin or my profit margin. So I better darn sure understand it. And to your point, if I can get a higher level of understanding it, now I can weaponize that and play offense with it and fold it into my marketing and sales strategy and do what competitors can't. So now I've just differentiated myself from everybody else out there, and I got a tool like this to do it.